Yo, what's up guys? My name is Yona and this is a guide to Olympic diving. So we move on to the actual events. The first event is Mixed Synchro, which is the newest event in diving. This event was introduced to the World Championships and World Series programs in 2015, and it was a concept that FINA tried to push for the Olympic Games in 2020, but this bid was rejected by the IOC. Nevertheless, it's still a part of the World Championship program, the World Series program, and a few Grand Prix events around the world on both 3 metre and 10 metre. It's not an event that I'll get to do anytime soon because at the moment there are no other Jamaican divers, never mind any female Jamaican divers who can keep up with my height. The closest I've been is when I did Synchro with Georgia, just for a laugh in training whilst I was in Australia. But regardless, it's a fun event, and when teams take it seriously, it can produce some very exciting moments. The rule in this event is 5 dives from 5 different groups. As in all synchro events, the first 2 dives are required dives, which have a set degree of difficulty of 2.0, no matter what dive it is. Following this, there are 3 rounds of optional dives with no limit to the degree of difficulty. On springboard mainly, this event has been really good for pushing female divers to step out of their comfort zone and try and keep up with the male divers in terms of difficulty. Recently we've had Canadian teams and Australian teams attempting the forward 2.5 with 2 twists. Also, I've recently seen the Canadian team preparing for the reverse 3.5 twister. As of yet, I haven't seen the same kind of experimentation on the 10 metre platform, but it may come in the future as more women look to increase their degree of difficulty in their own events, and will use Mixed Synchro as an opportunity to test those dives out. The current world champions in both events are from China. Excuse my pronunciation, but on 3 metre, the champions are Wang Han and Li Sheng, and on 10 metre, the champions are Ren Chan and Lian Junji. British divers finished second in both of these events at the World Championships. Tom Daley came down from the platform to link up with Grace Reed. They won a silver medal in the 3 metre event at the World Championships in Budapest last year, and Matty Lee teamed up with Lois Tolson for the 10 metre event, and they also won a silver medal in Budapest. Unfortunately, you won't see either of these pairs or this whole event on the Gold Coast because Mixed Synchro is not a part of the Commonwealth diving programme. But see if you can see any boys and girls who might match up well for a Mixed Synchro event. As usual, any questions that you may have, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If not, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on next week's video of a guide to Olympic diving. Peace out.